In this video, we'll explore how to effectively organize your React project files and folders. A well-thought-out folder structure is crucial for maintaining a scalable and maintainable React application. Why is a good folder structure so important? First, it leads to better organization. A logical file grouping makes navigation more intuitive and efficient. Second, it enhances team collaboration. A consistent structure helps team members work together seamlessly. Third, it improves scalability. Well-organized projects grow smoothly without becoming chaotic. Finally, it increases maintainability. A clear structure makes debugging and updates much easier. Let's start with the basic project structure provided by Create React App. You'll typically see a MyReactApp directory containing a public folder with index.html and favicon.ico, src folder with app.js, app.css, index.js, and index.css, along with package.json and readme files. This default structure is a perfect starting point for small projects due to its simplicity and clean layout. Next, let's explore a feature-based structure. Here, components are organized by business features within the src folder. For example, you might have a features folder containing authentication with login.js and register.js, and a dashboard folder with dashboard.js and chart.js. There's also a shared folder containing reusable components like button.js and modal.js, along with app.js. This structure is ideal for medium-sized applications. Now let's examine a layer-based structure. In this approach, files are organized by their technical purpose. The src folder contains components with files like header.js, footer.js, and button.js, pages with home.js and about.js, services with api.js, and utils with helpers.js, along with app.js. This structure is excellent for developers familiar with Model View Controller, also known as MVC architecture, providing a clear separation of different file types. Finally, let's look at an advanced structure, suitable for enterprise-level applications. This approach combines feature and layer organization. The src folder contains components with subfolders and layout, features with a subfolder auth, dedicated folders for hooks containing useauth.js, context containing authcontext.js, services containing api.js, and utils containing constants.js, along with app.js. This structure is perfect for large-scale applications, offering a robust and scalable architecture. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. First, maintain consistent naming. Use clear, descriptive names for files and folders. Second, practice logical grouping. Group related files together based on functionality. Third, utilize index files for cleaner imports. Finally, ensure single responsibility by keeping folders focused on one specific purpose. Here are the key takeaways from this video. Start simple and evolve as your project grows. Choose a structure that fits your team size. Remember that consistency is more important than perfection. And remember that a good structure improves development speed. Keep in mind that well-organized code is maintainable code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.